This is how you replace your screen on your HP OMEN. This is the 15 model, and we're gonna replace it. As you can see, the laptop's on and it's not displaying anything. This is the original 60 Hertz display, but on laptopscreens.com I was able to get the 120 Hertz screen display, and I could also get a glossy one, and as you can see, this one's matte and you can't really see me. Now first, you just turn off the laptop. You can use it by holding down the button, or you can press it once. I'm just gonna hold it down. Once the laptop's off, make sure you unplug everything from the laptop. If you want to take it a step further, you could open it up this way by unplugging the battery. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it this way. Because you can do other ways, but if you want to do it that way, go ahead. But yeah. So you can start off by taking off this part of near the screen. You can do it this way or this way, but it's probably better to do this if you don't want to scratch this. But I don't really care about it, so I did it that way because this thing doesn't work anymore. So you can kind of start off by like popping it out. I'm also using a laptop kit, so I can take this off much easier. It will help taking this off, but you can also use a credit card, and it kind of looks like a guitar pick, so I'm guessing you can also use a guitar pick. Now mine comes off easy because I already did this, but it might be harder for you. So once you do this, there's going to be 4 screws. These 4 screws are right here, right here, right here, and right here. Don't take off this one or this one because I thought that was part of it, but it's not those. It's these 4. So you can also use a magnetic screwdriver to help with take these off. See, all screws are removed, so just if you care about the original screen, I would put something under so it doesn't scratch. Like, let's say it kind of works and you want to keep it, I would just do that, because you're gonna lay it down and you're gonna see these 2 clips. You're gonna see this one clip. First, you're gonna remove the sticker that's on the back. It won't do anything, but once you remove the sticker, you'll be able to see the 30-pin connector, and you just remove it by just pulling it back. It'll be harder the first time you do it, but yeah. So this is the original screen. I'm guessing it got like something thrown on it because it's sticky. I don't know why. Maybe from the original owner. I don't know. But yeah. So you just got to take out your new screen. So I got this one on laptopscreens.com, and this one was $80. It's the 120 Hertz one, so it should be better for gaming. It does have a screen thing, so if I do put it this way, I won't scratch it because it has this protector. So it matches the same holes that I took it out from. This down. Once you move it over here, just first clip it on. It doesn't really make a sound, but you'll feel it when it clips in. And then you just put the sticker over it. So as you can see, it matches up. Because it took me a long time until I started using this, and they easily came out.
I'll show an example of like if you do that problem. So you can also make putting the screws back in easier by putting it in diagonally, but I didn't do that, so I had a little bit trouble putting it back in. So I suggest you do that, just do it across one here, one there, and then one there, It'll probably make it better too overall. Alright, so that's the screen in, and you can turn it on and test if it works.
As you can see, it's now booting up and it works perfectly. So the first time you turn on the monitor, it might say 60 hertz because that's what it said in mine, and then I restarted it again and I was able to select 120 hertz. And then you can just put this back on. I'm just going to turn it off just in case. So I'm turning it back on, and once I see that it works, I can take this off, or you can keep it on. But I took it off earlier, and you can see like the blotches and. Alright, so now that we took off the screen thingy, we can put this back on. But I'm just gonna turn off the computer just for now. And then I'm gonna put this thing back on. Should be relatively easy. So you just push it in and you'll hear the clips. And that's how you switch out your display for your HP